So ibang mga vloggers nagbabayad pa pamasahe, accommodations. May i-vlog lang ito. Tayo andito tayo libre. Tayo pang binabayaran. Alright. So ito yung hotel natin. Barcelona Sands by Hilton. $302. Dito tayo. 302. Alright. Yes. Ayos. Maliwanag na maliwanag. Dito tayo sa banyo muna. May bathtub. Walang bathtub. Okay lang. Alright. Yan. Kailangan na natin matulog. Alright, so ano ngayon? Alauna na ang madaling araw. So, tulog muna tayo. Pahinga tayo ng konti. Tulog tayo. So, ganda ng bed din. Ang ganda ng mga lightings. Diba? Saka laki ng TV. Ito may mga complementary sila dito nga. Coffee, milk, saka electric kettle. Ito, Nespresso coffee machine. Tubig. Walang minibar. Wala siguro lang minibar. Ayos lang. Alright, so ito, dami rin pwedeng maghang ng damit. Yan na yung toilet nila. Puting-puti. Pareho ng tile sa CR sa bahay. Okay. Alright. So, welcome to Barcelona, guys. Barcelona, Spain. Dito tayo ng 2 gabi. Ano tong hotel na to? Via Sands, Barcelona. Sa Hilton din ito siya. Sa Hilton din na sila may-ari. Alright, so ito yung gagawin ko din magpahinga. Dahil mahaba yung, hapon na kasi tayo malis sa Montenegro kanina. Although 2 hours lang naman mahigit yung flight. 2 hours from Montenegro to Athens, then almost 3 hours naman from Athens to dito, Barcelona. Alright, tapos binayaran ko sa taxi is 65 euros, which is like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, not bad. Alright, so matulog tayo, wala tayong tulog eh. So, pahinga muna tayo, alas 4 na ng madaling araw. Para bukas gigising tayo ng mga 10 or 11 ng umaga. Then magla-lunch tayo. Then diretso tayo sa may Sagrada Familia, yung cathedral na pinakasikat dito sa may Barcelona. Yung matagal nang ginawa yun eh. Construction na matagal na, dekada na yata. Century na pala, dekada. So hanggang ngayon hindi pa tapos. So bisitahin natin yung bukas. Lalakarin lang natin, malapit lang dito. Kaya yung purpose ko na kumuha ng hotel malapit doon. Para, kasi isang araw lang, limitado lang yung oras natin. Bisitahin na natin yun. Okay. Sleep na tayo. So, yan yung view natin. So, alis tayo ngayon. Punta tayo sa may Basilica Sagrada de Familia. Gagala tayo. Kahit inaantok pa tayo.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed.
Para ka lang din naglalakad sa Davao eh. No? Ganda pa nga sa Davao maglakad eh. Diba guys? So lakarin natin ngayon. Kanina pa pala. Hanggang doon sa may Basilica Sagrada de Familia, yung simbahan. Saka doon na rin tayo maghanap ng restaurant malapit doon sa Basilica. Yung habang kumakain tayo, makikita natin yung simbahan. Diba? Bahala na mahal.
That work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I
Na-underestimate natin yung layo. Sa mga 40 minutes na maglalakad.
Continue on Carrer de Valencia for 1 kilometer.
Ang ganda ng building, no? Halata mong lumang-luma na eh. We're almost there, guys. Nakalagay dito 7 minutes na lang. Alright. So ito magandang building din, no? Mga lumang architecture talaga, the best. Diba? Sa kantitibay. Halata mong matibay talaga paggagawa, yo. Alright, guys, no? Let's go. Flower shop. Sa wakas, nakikita ko na. Woo! Init. So ito na yung pinaka, ewan ko, sentro. Kasi dito lahat eh. May train, daanan ng train, bus. Diba? So yun yung Sagrada de Familia. Grabe, init. Kain ako dun sa may mismong harap. Malamang maraming restaurant yan dyan eh. Oo. Ang ganda pala dito na side.
Tawid muna ako. Release ng train yata ito eh.
Ito, mga ano. May train ba sir?
Oo. Ganda no? Tourist na tourist ang datingan nito, Don Noriel. Simbahan no? Ganda. So yun na yung Basilica. So yan na yung iconic na Basilica di Sagrada di Familia. So lalapit pa tayo doon ng konti mamaya. Tapos tingnan ko lang kung makapasok ako sa loob. Kasi may entrance din eh. Siyempre may entrance, may exit din yun. Alright. Hanap muna tayo siguro ng restaurant. Gutom na eh.